Hello, good morning. My name is Engineer Gaziatio, your automobile expert. Today I want to chip in some things. It's no longer news that major part of repairs we do in Nigeria here is underneath. Why is this so? Because we have very bad roads. So it's our underneath of our vehicle that suffer it most. Now, but when you come to those underneath, there are some components that suffer more than others. Those components, in as much as they are suffering, when they are worn out, they also cause vibration on the body of that vehicle. Major part of those components are the propeller and the shaft. There are other small components like the bushing, ball joint, tie rods. Those ones I will treat them on a separate topic. The one I want to handle now is propeller and the shaft, because these are the two that move the vehicle. They bear the much of the impact caused by those bad roads and vibration. Now, vehicles that use propeller are mainly rear-wheel drive vehicles or all-wheel drive. In as much as it's the front tire that is moving the vehicle, it's transferring power back to the rear wheels through the propeller. Just have a look at the sample of propeller, what I mean by propeller. Then other vehicles that are not rear wheel drive and that are not all wheel drive, those vehicles that are pure front wheel drive, what suffers most there is the drive shaft, just like this one you can see here now. Now, how do you know your drive shaft is bad, or how do you know your propeller is bad? Those joints for the propeller, all those joints that key in like this. Those joints that key in like this. Due to tear and wear, as the engine is working, before you know, you start having gap. The thing will start wobbling. Then on the other side of the shaft, once the bearing inside, turning inside the cup like this, once it's chopping up, we start having clearance. Then instead of hooking permanently, we now have, because of that small gap, we will now be making noise like this. Then before you know, when you are moving on high speed, due to the revolution of those speed of revolution, that vehicle will be vibrating, will be dancing. Now, how do you know which one is which? When you experience such thing, you have to be observant. Know the area the vibration is coming from. If it's just propeller, you will see the whole body of that vehicle will be dancing. If it's shaft, the vibration will be through the front, and you will be hearing those some kaka noise, all those ones. Then when you are buying a second-hand shaft, be very careful, because parts are no longer coming in. There are some, they will just get another shaft, especially all those ones that are high demand. They will get the one that has lower demand. They will cut the cup, join it again, weld it, file it. You will not know, you will think it's the same thing. When you put it in your vehicle, because of when they were cutting it, how did they know they didn't use the correct precision? There must be small allowance or small deviation in the second place. It will be vibrating. These are the things that make our vehicle vibrate on high speed, especially when you fire up to 60, 80, the vehicle will be dancing. Those are the causes. Have a look at this video so that you understand what I mean better. Yes, you can see what I mean. All these things is as a result of bad road. If our road is smooth, we won't be experiencing this kind of things. But the only way out is constant and good maintenance. Once in a while, be checking out this thing. Once you hear any noise under or anywhere, check it. Go under the car. You mustn't wait for your mechanic to do everything for you. There are some you still do by yourself, so that when you go to the mechanic, you will just tell him, I'm hearing the noise from this side or from this side. Yeah, our mechanic is not a magician. Help the mechanic, then so that he will deliver faster and better. This is my gospel this morning. Thank you. I'm still the man, Engineer Gozia to you.